Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Dall'Aglio. My proposal for this year's Rangos Prize is to create course materials for studying the relationship between mind and brain, between subjective and objective perspectives, specifically psychoanalysis and neuroscience. These are two lenses of the same thing in nature, to look at the brain objectively, to measure it, and to be that part of nature, to have feelings, conflicts, desires, and the like. Combining both perspectives is essential to build a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. Duquesne is unique in the United States for having historic strengths in the subjective human science approach to psychology, specifically psychoanalysis and phenomenology, in addition to rigorous programs in the natural sciences, such as biology, such as the health sciences, specifically rehabilitation science and speech-language pathology. However, historically, psychoanalysis and neuroscience have unfortunately tended to ignore findings from the other field, and at Duquesne, there has not really been too much collaboration between these departments, specifically on bridging psychoanalytic and neuroscientific ways of thinking. So these interdisciplinary course materials will benefit these existing departments, as well as the future College of Osteopathic Medicine, integrating subjective and objective perspectives into clinical work and research, especially in psychiatry and neurology. So this proposal will create lasting course materials that draw on existing literature, such as this foundational text in the field of neuropsychoanalysis, but also through consultation with faculty across departments at Duquesne, as well as colleagues from around the world who do work and who teach in this area. This proposal will aim not only to make the course that I would teach in the next few years, but also to design course materials that could be taught in other courses after I graduate. Indeed, professors in the psychology department have already expressed an interest in doing so. So these course materials would include hands-on and experiential learning, including guest lectures from practicing clinicians, as well as visiting neuroscience labs. I will design the course to meet bridge core requirements in quantitative and historical social reasoning to really encourage students from diverse intellectual backgrounds to take the class. This is going to give life to the interdisciplinary aims of the course through class discussion and group projects between students from different perspectives who'd be coming together to do this integrative work together. So this is really a special opportunity for this generation of students and for Duquesne. There have been more requests for undergraduate courses in neuroscience via the psychology department, perhaps reflective of the fact that Gen Z has grown up deeply immersed in technology, and technology has been essential in furthering our study of the brain and is going to be increasingly central in future work in clinical areas and in research. This generation's formative years have also been during a global pandemic, which has unambiguously demonstrated the importance of mental health around the world. So really, there's a deep need, even an educational responsibility, to equip future clinicians, researchers, and scholars with the ability to apply both objective, neuroscientific, and subjective psychoanalytic approaches to the minded brain. We leave one side out at our peril, and really, this is an opportunity for Duquesne to do something truly groundbreaking. 4. That's the number of universities in the entire world with neuropsychoanalytic academic programs. Duquesne really has an opportunity and the resources to create cutting-edge disciplinary innovation, which is in line with a strategic plan. Point 1, equipping students with knowledge and skills for the 21st century. This course will not only teach integrative knowledge in neuroscience and psychoanalysis, but will also emphasize the skill of dialogue between these fields so that future researchers, clinicians, and scholars can connect and bridge with colleagues from different areas. And point 3 in the strategic plan, interdisciplinary programming, no such course exists at Duquesne on neuroscience and psychoanalysis. Only a handful exist in the entire world. This is an incredible opportunity to move toward a more holistic science of the minded brain. Thank you.